Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door spring in a Whirlpool dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 5/8 open-ended wrench, and 5/16" nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door spring. The dishwasher door springs prevent the door from falling down. The main reason why the door spring would need to be replaced is if it's broken and no longer holds the door. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out two screws that mount the dishwasher to the countertop. Before pulling the dishwasher out, we need to disconnect the water supply and the drain hoses under the sink. Put the towel in a plastic container under the shadow valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Check and adjust the legs, if needed, and pull out the dishwasher from under the counter. If the old spring is still attached, memorize on which notch it's sitting, number 4 in our case, and then pull on the spring and remove the bushing from the door hinge. Remove the bushing from the spring. This is the old door spring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install this side of the new door spring on the 4th bottom notch and slide the bushing on the other end of the spring. Stretch the spring and mount the bushing on the door hinge. Open and close the door to check if the spring is mounted properly. Push the dishwasher in and pull the water line, the drain line, and the power cord through the divider. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Secure the dishwasher to the countertop with the 2 Phillips screws. Close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.